Service in Pittsburgh has issued a snow squall warning for northeastern Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, northwestern Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southern Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania, southern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, southwestern Indiana County in west central Pennsylvania, northern western Pennsylvania, southern Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania until 6 p.m. At 5 p.m., a hazardous snow squall was located from near Newcastle southeast through Butler to Indiana, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: intense bursts of heavy snow and gusty winds leading to blowing snow and rapidly falling visibility. Wind gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Source: Doppler radar and webcams. Impact: travel will become difficult and potentially hazardous within minutes. Locations impacted include Cranberry, Newcastle, Indiana, Butler, Beaver Falls, Vandergrift, Homer City, Apollo, Plum, Murraysville, Hampton Township, New Kensington, Lower Borough, Harrison Township, Elwood City, Homaker, Glendora, New Brighton, Arnold, Shanner, Northview, and Tarentum. This includes the following highways: Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 78 and 98. Interstate 376 between mile markers 13 and 31. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 1 and 37, and near mile marker 39, in between mile markers 42 and 43. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this snow squall. Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions. Consider avoiding or delaying travel until the snow squall passes your location. Repeating, a snow squall warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties: